The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer the question, when can paternity be challenged as part of a divorce in Illinois? So when a child is born to a woman who is married, the husband is presumed to be the father. Presumed father is a term of art, and we'll define that and who counts as a presumed father in Illinois in a minute. But a presumed father has 2 years to file a petition to establish the non-existence of a father-child relationship after the date that he discovered facts that would lead a reasonable person to question the paternity over the child. So that's that. When you discover that you may not be the father of the child, a 2-year clock starts ticking. And once that 2-year clock has started ticking, and once that 2-year time limit is passed, you no longer can challenge paternity unless new facts come to light which make the paternity even more questionable. So that's the general rule for divorcing husbands, because usually they're the presumed father with respect to the children involved. A person's a presumed father in Illinois if he was married to the mother when the child was born, if his marriage to the mother was terminated within 300 days prior to the birth of the child, if he was married to the mother after the child's birth and is listed as the father on the child's birth certificate, or if the child was born during or within 300 days of an invalid marriage that was apparently in compliance with the law at the time. So if any of those things are the case, that the father in that situation is the presumed father, or the person that's involved in that situation is the presumed father, and that's the type of person that has a 2-year time limit from learning of the questionability of paternity to challenge it. Otherwise, they are considered the father of the child. So let's talk about this in the context of divorce. This means that a person who's getting divorced can't just simply challenge paternity if he did not learn of new facts within the previous 2 years. So if all along the father knew or had reason to suspect that the child wasn't his, he can't use a paternity challenge simply because a divorce is occurring. It's too late at that point. Similarly, if the father never learned of any new facts, you can't just challenge paternity out of the blue for no reason as a litigation tactic in the divorce. A husband who hasn't learned any new facts at all and is divorcing can't just challenge paternity. There has to be a new fact learned that would cause them to question paternity, and that fact has to be within 2 years of the time that they actually challenge the paternity. If a married couple wishes to have the husband raise a child that they know or believe is not his, the appropriate thing to do would be to have him legally adopt the child. Otherwise, if it's questionable paternity, you're leaving yourself up to jeopardy if you're divorced within the next 2 years of the father challenging paternity and getting out of being responsible for the child. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, or Apple Podcasts, or on our email blast, which you can subscribe to at our website, learn-about-law.com. Anyway you subscribe, you'll be notified of our daily article and video posts that we make on different topics each day. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.